Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a glutathione drink at home. This powerful antioxidant is vital for your well-being, and creating your own drink is surprisingly simple. We'll go through the essential ingredients, step-by-step preparation, and some helpful tips to ensure you get the most out of your homemade concoction. Get ready to boost your health with this easy guide. For your homemade glutathione drink, you'll need just a few key items. Start with 1 scoop of L-glutathione powder, which is usually around 500 milligrams. Next, add 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C powder. This helps your body absorb the glutathione more effectively. Finally, select about 8 ounces of your preferred liquid, such as water, fresh juice, or coconut water, to mix everything together. Preparing your drink is incredibly straightforward. First, take a clean glass and add your measured L-glutathione and vitamin C powders. Then, carefully pour your 8 ounces of liquid base over the powders. Using a spoon, stir the mixture vigorously for about 30 seconds until both powders are completely dissolved and the liquid is clear. It's best to enjoy your fresh glutathione drink right away for optimal benefits. To maximize the benefits, try consuming your glutathione drink on an empty stomach, perhaps first thing in the morning. Feel free to experiment with different fruit juices, like orange or mixed berry, to find a flavor you truly enjoy. Regular consumption can significantly support your body's natural detoxification processes and give your immune system a helpful boost. Remember to always consult a healthcare professional before adding new supplements to your routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.